Hi, I'm Sunny Kim from Kimchi Culture. Today I'm going to show you how to make two versions of scallion pancakes. One is with regular flour and the other one is with gluten-free flour. Let's get started. To make one large pie of scallion pancake, you need half a cup of scallion pancake mix, half a cup of frying mix, and quarter cup of breadcrumbs. You could just use the scallion pancake mix, but I like to add frying mix and breadcrumbs together to make scallion pancakes extra crispy. You can get these mixed from any Korean supermarkets. And whisk it all together. This is the level of thickness that you want to achieve. If you make it too thick, then the pancake is going to turn out very doughy. For one scallion pancake, add about 4 to 5 scallions. Chop them about 1 inch in length and add to the mixture. Next, add 1/4 of onion, slice it, and add to the mixture. I like to add red bell pepper just for coloring purpose. Julienne cut it, and add to the mixture. Mix it all together. On medium heat, put generous amount of oil in the frying pan. Once the skillet is hot, pour out the entire mixture into the pan and spread out the mixture evenly. After 3 minutes, flip to the other side. And you want to put extra oil for the other side. And press it down with spatula for the other side. So you need to pan fry pancake on each side for about 3 to 4 minutes and look if the finished pancake looks golden brown like this. For gluten-free scallion pancakes, I like to use Bob's Red Mill gluten-free baking flour, but you can also use non-wheat flour such as sweet rice powder, or potato flour. To make one large gluten-free scallion pancake, you need 1 cup of gluten-free flour, half a cup of water, and 1/8 cup of oil. And mix it into a bowl all together. For gluten-free scallion pancake, you want the mixture to be doughy and thick. If it's runny like regular scallion pancake, it's never going to cook. And this is the level of thickness that you want to achieve. For gluten-free scallion pancakes, you don't need as many scallions as the regular scallions. So use half amount of scallions, chop it up about in 1 inch length, and add it to the mixture. Add 1/4 of onion, slice it, and add it to the mixture. And add a little bit of bell pepper for coloring. And add it to the mixture. And mix it all together. It looks like mixture is too doughy, so I'm going to add just a little bit more water and mix it together. put generous amount of oil once again and wait until your skillet gets hot. When the oil is hot, pour out the mixture onto the pan and spread it all out evenly. After 3 minutes of grilling it on a medium heat, flip it over to the other side. And as soon as you flip it over, you need to press it down to thin it out a little more. After pan frying the pancake for 3 minutes on each side, you see that it's golden brown like this, and it is ready to eat. For dipping sauce, add soy sauce, sesame oil, hint of vinegar, and sesame seeds. You can have scallion pancakes as a full meal with kimchi, or have it as an appetizer or a snack. If you have any questions, email me at info@kimchiculture.com. Thanks for watching.